If you're wondering why this vlog is late today, your boy just woke up from a nap. This is gonna be crap quality, but I'm okay with that. Oh my god. I've been procrastinating watching The Matrix Resurrections, and right at the end of the movie, I just hopped on Twitter for a sec. And Microsoft, Xbox, they just bought Activision Blizzard, a $70 billion acquisition. Activision Blizzard, of course, being World of Warcraft, Call of Duty, Overwatch. All of that will now be Xbox titles. Whoa. Which means they now own Crash Bandicoot, for example. Hell, there could be Master Chief in Call of Duty and vice versa now. That's insane to think about. The acquisition fully happens in 2023, but they announced it today. Activision Blizzard has had issues with sexual misconduct, a lot of allegations, I have to say legally. I would consider them to be facts, you know, but of sexual misconduct in the company and from higher ups and stuff, and the CEO as well, and there's a lot of stuff that's awful about that scenario. I hope Microsoft goes in and cleans house in there, and they get rid of basically any shitty people. But oh my god, I can't believe that just happened. Insane. I'm wondering if they're gonna get antitrust lawed. Apple hasn't, Disney hasn't. Disney acquired Fox. This though it's huge. It's huge. It can't get much bigger than this. Xbox would have to acquire PlayStation, or Xbox would have to acquire like Valve. There's basically nothing bigger than this. Them acquiring Activision Blizzard is insane. They'd have to acquire Riot or something. Like, one of their largest competitors was like, you're ours now. I assume it took, obviously, years for this deal to come to fruition, but holy shit. Anyway. Hi, I'm gonna do something I really don't like doing, but I want to do right now. I'm annoyed. I'm pissed. I've been sitting around for the past 2 hours, hour and a half, trying to figure out why my download speeds on my computer at the new house have been garbage, but it's only on specific apps and websites. So Rooster Teeth's website sucks. I constantly buffer. Every once in a while, I have a problem with, like, HBO or whatever. Something I never had a problem with at the other house, though. But I did have a problem with the Epic Games launcher just refusing to download games sometimes. It would ramp up really high and download at, 75 megabytes per second, and then go back down to 0. Now here, it's less up and down, but sometimes it still takes a very long time to download something, when I can download something in Steam that's the same size in 20 minutes. It would take 12 hours on the Epic Games launcher. And right now I tried to download Doom Eternal through Game Pass, and I'm downloading it at 3 megabytes per second, which would be about 24 megabits per second. But we get 400 down or 500 down on my computer on average, even though our router is actually outputting about 1,000 down. So I'm suspicious that it's the cable I'm using or the wall outlet it's plugged into. So I'm going to do some testing here, not this morning, hopefully in the next day or two, to run this cable directly out of the room instead of through the wall port and see if that's any better. Because if it is, that sucks. I can't use the wall port anymore. But if it isn't, then what is the problem? I've updated my motherboard shit recently. I'll also go through and do it again. I updated the LAN controller, the actual Ethernet controller, the network controller. I updated that manually through the Realtek updater, because Windows Update, of course, didn't find anything, because why would it? I do have a Windows Update I need to do. Maybe I'll try that. That probably won't fix anything, though. It's really annoying. It's really pissing me off, and I got hyper fixated on it this morning when I should have been editing, because it's Wednesday, and I'd like to get a vlog up by Wednesday at the latest, you know, during the week, for a vlog, and might go up Thursday now. I'm not sure if I have the energy to stay up longer, but when you've downloaded 2.7 gigabytes in about a half hour, I don't know. Sometimes my disk spikes up to 1,000 megaseconds. Sometimes my disk spikes up to 1,000 millisecond response time. Sometimes it's at 0. I don't know. I have no idea what the problem is. I wish I did, but I don't. Anywho, that's it. I love scroll wheels. Look at how well this one works. Isn't it great? Look, I'll do it slowly. What? Ah! Hi, so as I said at the beginning, I woke up from a nap. And that's why this vlog is like, I was going to lay down for an hour. Took a 4-hour nap. Anyway, week 138 total. Yeah, it's that time of the week. It's that work time breakdown. Shorter vlog. Didn't film much, but I wanted to talk about the Activision Blizzard stuff. I got some fun stuff coming up in the next couple vlogs. I'm actually very excited about them. Anyway, week 138 total. I actually had a day from this week. I accidentally put in last week's totals. So last Sunday was supposed to be Monday this week. Oops, so I just replaced it with a 0 this week. Much lower from 70 hours and down to 2,368 minutes, or 39 hours and 28 minutes. Not 70 hours, but that's okay. We cool. We good. Other than that, tell me what you think about the Activision Blizzard being purchased by Microsoft. Tell me what you think about that. I would love to hear your thoughts. Also, tell me what you think about my drive and scroll wheel problems. I don't know what that's about. Scroll wheel's fine now. It's fixed itself. Now I'm starting to double click. God, I love Razer mice. Man, they're so high quality. Apparently, a couple of the newer mice models from about 2 years ago or a year ago, those work really well and they haven't had any issues. The newer Naga apparently is a lot better, but I'm stuck with my Trinity until it completely bites the dust, I think. Here's a little teaser for next week's vlog. God, I love using a phone without a case. It feels so thin. Anyway. I'm all over the place. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe here if you're not already. I do upload a vlog every single week. You can also check out my gaming channel. Speaking of gaming, check out twitch.tv/SkullHQ, where I stream basically every single day of the week around 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Sometimes a little later, sometimes a little earlier. It should be moving more towards 8 because Brooke is going to get out of work earlier and have to go to bed earlier, which means I'm going to want to play with her. Time should be moving about an hour earlier. We'll see for now. But yeah, that's going on. You can also, if you subscribe to me on Twitch, which is $5, $10, or $25 a month, or using your free Prime subscription, if you have your Discord and your your Twitch linked, Discord and Twitch linked, and you're in my Discord, and so I can see that you're a Twitch subscriber based on your name color. If you want to join the Minecraft SMP server, we still haven't fought the Wither or the Ender Dragon on there. As far as I know anyway. And I'll give you the address and you can come hang out and play, especially when I'm on stream. I'd love to have some more people playing when I'm on. You can also check out my social medias, Facebook if you want, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, of course. I'm hoping to get some more content up on all of that soon, particularly TikTok. And other than that, I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Like the video if you liked it. Favorite the video if it was your favorite. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe for more, and I will see you later.